Ben drops a coin into his jar. It is nearly full, and he wears a hopeful smile. He had been saving for 8 months. Coffee skipped, rides declined, every spare dollar was saved. Suddenly, his car sputters and stalls. The jar empties to pay for the expensive repair bill. Ben sits on the kitchen floor in dim light. He feels defeated, wondering if he is failing. He wonders if he is just bad with money, or if he is not built for this. Nick steps gently into the frame. The lighting begins to shift, becoming warmer and more reassuring. He was not bad with money. He was simply doing the hardest part of the process first. A stalled boulder is stopped by a tiny pebble. A rolling boulder barely feels the same impact. Your first $1,000 is like that boulder at a dead stop. It is very heavy. Ben's empty jar sits beside a glowing pile. The same pebble bounces off the larger pile. When you have nothing, a setback feels like a total loss. Momentum changes everything for you. Ben starts again. He drops a coin into the jar with slow, deliberate, and steady movements. He knew that every dollar back in that jar was rebuilding more than just his savings. It was rebuilding proof that he could start over. He learned he did not have to quit. That proof is exactly what makes the next $50,000 so much easier to build. The jar glows and fills to the top. It multiplies into larger, glowing totals very quickly. The effort to reach the first milestone is tall and jagged, requiring almost pure willpower. The effort to reach the next 50,000 is smoother, leaning on the power of momentum. Full, warm light returns to the kitchen. Ben looks at the full jar with calm pride. His smile is steadier now. He understands the process better than he did at the start. If your first savings feel impossibly hard, it is not you. You are doing the hardest part. The sunrise light fills the room. The jar sits steady on the counter, a symbol of growth. Ben walks off calmly toward the day. He knows he has built a foundation for his future. Keep going. It gets much easier from here. Your momentum will carry you forward every day.